Welcome back to MVP Garage. We are back with the new review of Lexus RC. Let's start. The 2025 Lexus RC lineup offers a blend of luxury, performance, and advanced technology, marking the final production year for this distinguished series. Engine options and performance. RC 300. Equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine delivering 241 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. This model features rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed sport direct-shift automatic transmission. RC 300 AWD, powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 260 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. RC 350 features a 3.5-liter V6 engine generating 311 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. The rear-wheel drive variant comes with an 8-speed sport direct-shift automatic transmission, while the all-wheel drive model utilizes a 6-speed automatic transmission. RCF Final Edition. As a tribute to the RC series, Lexus introduces the RCF Final Edition for 2025. This high-performance model boasts a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine, delivering exhilarating power and a distinctive exhaust note. The final edition includes exclusive features such as a carbon fiber roof, side rocker panels, front spoiler, rear diffuser, active rear wing, and lightweight 19-inch BBS alloy wheels. The interior is adorned with bespoke black and red leather ultra-suede trim, a Mark Levinson premium audio system, and a 10.3-inch touchscreen display. Safety and technology. All 2025 RC models come standard with Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5, offering a suite of advanced safety features designed to enhance driver awareness and vehicle safety. The interior is equipped with modern amenities, including a 10.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with the latest connectivity options. Production of the Lexus RC and RCF is set to conclude at the end of 2025, marking the end of an era for this celebrated luxury coupe series.